किसी को गाली मत दो।
Don't abuse anyone.
मंदिर जाओ।
Go temple.
पंखा चला दो।
Switch on fan.
अपने जूते उतारो।
Put off your shoes.
मेरे लिए गिलास पानी लाओ।
Bring me a glass of water.
बच्चों की मदद करो।
Help the children.
अपने पेरेंट्स का सम्मान करो।
Obey your parents.
मंदिर में पूजा करो।
Worship in
टेम्पल। अपनी किताब पढ़ लो।
Read your book.
अपनी अंग्रेजी सुधार लो।
Improve your English.
किसी से झूठ मत बोलो।
Don't tell a lie to anybody.
धूम्रपान मत करो।
Don't smoking.
वहाँ कभी मत जाओ।
Don't go there.
Never go there. लिखना शुरू करो।
Start writing.
लिखना बंद करो।
Stop writing.
बोलना शुरू करो।
Start speaking.
बोलते रहो।
Keep on speaking.
दौड़ते रहो।
Keep on running.
झूठ मत बोलते रहो।
Don't keep on telling lies.
मेरी मदद करते रहो।
Please keep on helping me.
अपनी किताब पढ़ते रहो।
Keep on reading your book.
भगवान तुम्हारा भला करे।
May God help.
May God bless you.
May God
आप भी पढ़ने दो।
Let me study.
मुझे घर जाने दो।
Let me go home.
हमें क्रिकेट खेलने दो।
Let me play cricket.
बच्चे को पढ़ने दो।
Let children study.
मेरे पिताजी को टीवी देखने दो।
Let my father watch TV.
बच्चे को स्कूल जाने दो।
Let student go school.
मम्मी को खाना बनाने दो।
Let mother cook food.
बच्चों को खेलने दो।
Let children play.
उसे घर जाने दो।
Let him go home.
हमें अंग्रेजी सीखने दो।
Let us learning English.
उसे अंदर मत आने दो।
Don't let him come inside.
उसे बाहर मत जाने दो।
Don't let him go outside.
अपने भाई को झूठ मत बोलने दो।
Don't let your brother abuse tell a lie.
Hello everyone, my name is Lokendra Singh and you are watching us on Sharp English Academy YouTube channel. So Mr. Aditya, first of all, I would like to get your little and your short introduction.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya Parasar from village Tumala. I have done my 12th class in this year from Uttar Pradesh. I want to become a software engineer in my life.
Okay. Mr. Aditya, please tell me about your father qualification and his occupation.
My father is a graduate and he is a teacher in his own school.
Okay. What subject does he teach?
He teaches Hindi, but he teaches Hindi, but he can teach all subjects.
Okay. And how many siblings are you?
We are 3 siblings.
What is the name of your school?
Our school name is Chiranjeev Devi Inter College.
And what is your further planning after +2?
I have taken admission in the CTM college.
So what are you doing in that college? What will you do from that college?
B.Tech, computer science.
You want to do B.Tech. Okay. So what is your future expectations? What do you want to become in your life?
I want to be a successful engineer, software engineer and a developer.
Aditya, I want to know what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses?
My strength is I am a quick learner and weakness is I am getting annoyed.
You get annoyed. So you get short-tempered soon, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if this is your weakness, and don't you think this weakness will not help you to go ahead in your career, or it will become an obstacle in your life?
No, this is not a weakness.
How will you control your weakness, or what are you doing to remove your weakness?
Basically, I do yoga daily.
So do you think yoga can help us to remove our weakness?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you belong to joint family or separate family?
I joined from joint family.
You belong to?
I belong to joint family.
How many members are there total in your family, in your joint family?
There are 16 members in my joint family.
How do you feel with your joint family members when there are so many members living together?
My family is very good family. Or in the matter of study, my family is very strict and they encourage us to study
all the time.
And if anyone are learning or studying, no one can disturb him.
No one disturbs when somebody studies. Yes. I want to know from you who is your best friend, if you have someone, so please nominate him.
I have 2 best friends, Vinay and Vishal, and one is in our academy.
Okay, Vinay and Vishal, both are the students of this academy, and okay, so they are your best friends.
Yes, sir.
I want to know which is your favorite subject.
Okay, I dropped biology, but still I love biology.
Okay, you are interested in biology.
Yes, sir.
I want to know if you could not be a good engineer in your life, so what would be another option to make your career? In which other sector would you like to go?
So, if I not success, I get not success in engineering, so I can run our school.
You will participate or you will involve in your family business?
Yes, or I can promote the business
of your family business. Please let me know, you are the student of Hindi medium school, or you have been the student of UP board, right?
No sir, I am a student of UP board, but I have
English medium school. Okay. So let me know, do you face any problem to communicate with your teachers or with some others while you speak in English with them, or you do not feel any problem?
No, before I was not joined this academy, I felt very problems, but now I can communicate anyone.
So are you able to speak English now?
Yes sir.
Are you able to read English newspaper?
Yes sir.
Okay. How much time do you give your study at your home?
This is it is our holiday, so I cannot give my.
You do not give time to study.
Do not give my time to study.
Okay. I want to know, you look like fat.
Yes.
Okay. So are you doing something to control your fat? As you told that yoga can help us to remove our weakness or to get over our weakness. So does yoga help you to control your overweight?
Yes sir.
So if you do yoga but still you are overweight, so
No sir, my weight was approx 90.
90 kg.
Was 90.
It was 90 kg.
Yeah, but now I am 84 to 85.
So you have reduced your approx 10 kg or means 8 kg weight.
Yes sir.
So how did you burn your 8 kg fat?
So I did yoga daily, or I go for running.
You went for running.
Yes.
So do you still go for running, or do you still do yoga?
Yes sir, nowadays it is rainy season, this is why I am not able to go running, but I was go for running.
Please tell me something very special things about your family, about your culture, behavior, or some activity which you all study, which you all family member perform together.
Who live in joint family, they celebrate the festivals with
Compenso and love and affection.
And everyone can help anybody.
Okay. Is there any teamwork in joint family, or there is no teamwork?
Yes sir, it is teamwork.
There is a teamwork. Do you follow Indian culture, Western culture?
I follow Indian culture.
What are the plus points of West Indian culture which you do not find in Western culture?
So basically, Indian culture is based on science.
Yes.
We all are know that we offer the water
To the sun,
sibling.
Mm.
This is the scientific reason. We offer the water to the sibling, and they reduce the greenhouse effect.
Okay. What are the benefits of wearing the sacred thread? Sacred thread means Janevu. Yes. Is there any benefit of them?
Yes, there is a benefit of wearing sacred thread, because when we go to natural call of nature, we put our on our ear.
Yes.
So this side has a vein, or we can say
A nerve.
a nerve.
Yes.
This nerve directly contact to our stomach. So when we put this on our ear,
Yes.
so our digestion or our call of nature
Becomes smooth.
becomes
Or our liver digests the food easily.
Or this is benefit. This is good for our health.
So is it scientific proved?
Yes, sir. Proved by reason of science.
Okay. Do you keep fast once, twice, thrice in a year?
Yes, sir.
So how many times do you keep fast?
I kept fast on Mahashivratri and Krishna Janmashtami.
Okay. Do you think any scientific reason behind keeping fast? Like once you keep fast, so the food will be offering to someone else, or your body will feel relaxed itself. Like today, our stomach is empty, and we become spiritual to the God. We have no energy, so we devotee ourselves in the devotion of God, like that.
There are you are true. There is a reason. There are many reasons to keep fast, but some reasons are for science and some for religion. So God also happy when anyone can take fast, and
we offer or we serve that our favorite food to any needy, like animals, birds, or any poor person. So it is a religious job.
Or there is a scientific proof when a man or woman take fast, his stomach and liver can take rest.
Yeah, can take rest and can work smoothly.
Yes.
Good to listen so much information from you about these all the things what you have given. Now we'll continue asking some questions. I will speak some Hindi sentence and you are requested to translate them. मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ.
I am learning English here.
हम अपने घर जा रहे हैं.
We are going to our home.
मैं बीटेक कर रहा हूँ.
I am doing BTech.
मैंने 12वीं पास कर लिया है.
I have done 12th Tech.
मैं एमटेक करूंगा.
I will do MTech.
मैं जॉब करूंगा.
I will do job.
मैं कॉलेज जाऊंगा.
I will go to college.
मैं अपने गांव जाऊंगा.
I will go over my village.
हम घर जाएंगे.
We all go to home.
तुम बाजार जाओगे.
You will go to market.
मैं कल एकेडमी नहीं आऊंगा.
I will not come academy.
तुम कल एकेडमी क्यों नहीं आओगे?
Why will you not come academy tomorrow?
मुझे कल घर पर काम है.
I have a work at home yesterday.
इसलिए मैं कल नहीं आऊंगा.
That's why I am not.
I will.
That's why I will not come yesterday.
तो मैं कल आना चाहिए.
You should come yesterday.
Tomorrow. You're talking about future. You should come tomorrow. तो मैं कल जल्दी आना चाहिए.
You should come soon tomorrow.
हम इंग्लिश बोलेंगे.
We speak English.
मैं कॉलेज में प्रेजेंटेशन दूंगा.
I will give presentation in college.
मैं अपने कॉलेज में टॉप करूंगा.
I will top in my college.
मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे पैसे देते हैं.
My parents give me money.
Give me pocket money. मैं अपने बैचमेट्स के साथ अंग्रेजी में बातें करता हूँ.
I speak in English with my batchmates.
मैं इनके साथ अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ.
I am learning English with my batchmates.
मैं तुम्हें कल फोन करूंगा.
I will call you tomorrow.
मुझे तुम्हें फोन करना चाहिए.
I should call you.
मैं तुम्हें फोन करने वाला हूँ.
I am about to call you.
मैं तुम्हें फोन करता रहता हूँ.
I keep on call you.
मैं तुम्हें कॉल करता रहा.
I kept on call you.
कॉलिंग.
I kept on calling you.
मैं तुम्हें कॉल करता रहूंगा.
I will keep on calling you.
मुझे तुम्हें कॉल करने की आदत है.
I am in the habit of calling you.
मुझे तुम्हें कॉल करने का शौक है.
I am fond of calling you.
मैं तुम्हें कॉल करने लगता हूँ.
I began to call you.
मुझे कॉल करना बंद करो.
Stop calling me.
खड़े हो जाओ.
Stand up.
इधर आओ.
Come here.
अपने घर जाओ.
Go your home.
बातें मत करो.
Stop talking. Don't talk.
झूठ मत बोलो.
Don't tell a lie.
ज्यादा पानी मत पियो.
Don't drink over water.
किताबें ज्यादा देर मत पढ़ो.
Don't study over book.
किसी को यहाँ धूम्रपान मत करने दो.
Don't let anyone smoking here.
Smoke here.
Smoke here.
यहाँ अब किसी को गाड़ी पार्क मत करने दो.
Don't let anyone to park car here.
अपने कपड़े धो लो.
Wash your nose.
अपने दांत साफ करो.
Wash your teeth.
अपने बालों में तेल लगाओ.
Apply oil on your hair.
On your hair. We have got good translation with you from you. Now I will speak one example in Hindi and you will translate into 6. Okay. So let's start. मेरे पिताजी मेरी मदद नहीं करते हैं.
My father does not help me. Does my father help me? Does my father not help me? Does my father help me? Why does my father help me? Why does my father not help me?
मैं यहाँ इंग्लिश सीखने आता हूँ.
I come here to learn English. I do not come here to learn English. Do I come here to learn English? Do I not come here to learn English? Why do I come here to learn English? Why do I here not to learn?
मैंने कल तुम्हें फोन किया.
I called you yesterday. I did not call you yesterday. Did I call you yesterday? Did I not call you yesterday? Why did I call you yesterday? Why did I not call you yesterday?
मैं तुमसे अंग्रेजी में बात करूंगा.
I will speak in English with you. I will not speak in English with you. Will I speak English with you? Will I not speak English with you? Why will I speak English with you? Why will I not speak English with you?
लोग मेरी वीडियो देखेंगे.
People will watch my video. People will not watch my video. Will people watch my video? Will people not watch my video? Why will people watch my video? Why will people not watch my video?
हमें अपने से बड़ों का सम्मान करना चाहिए.
We ought to respect our elder. We ought not to respect our elder.
No, we cannot make this sentence
Yes,
negative. It is against of the speaking and moral. We say we ought not to disobey our elders. Speak again.
We ought to respect our elders. We ought not to disrespect our elders.
Ought we to?
Ought we to disrespect our?
Ought we to respect our elders?
Ought we to respect our elders? Ought we not to disrespect our elders?
Yes.
Why ought we to respect our elders? Why ought we not disrespect our elders?
मैं स्कूल जाया करता था.
I used to go to school.
वह मुझे पढ़ाया करता था.
He used to teach me.
मैं उससे बात किया करता था.
I used to call to.
तुम फिल्म देखा करते थे.
You used to watch movie.
वह मुझसे झूठ बोला करती थी.
She used to tell me.
मैं छत पर सोया करता था.
I used to sleep on terrace.
तुम पेड़ों पर चढ़ा करते थे.
You used to climb one tree.
वह झूठ नहीं बोला करता था.
He used not to.
He did not.
He did not used to
climb on the tree.
He did not used to climb on the tree.
Okay, now you have given good response. So we have done good discussion with you. Have given good time. We would like to listen any message from your side. Would you like to speak something to the viewers who are watching your video now, and you want to pass them any message?
English is a not and big issue. We can learn English, or some students say we can not learn English because English is a Western language. You can learn English, but you don't follow the Western culture. I not say you follow the Western culture, but you should learn English, and English is very demanding language.
Okay, would you like to speak anything about this academy where you learn English? Any idea, any sentence, or anything you want to speak about it?
About
the academy, yes.
This academy is very good for those students who are
seeking for English classes.
That's it.
Okay. Thank you for giving your precious time, and thank you, Mr. Aditya, for shooting this video with us. I hope our audience, our viewers would like that video, and please, we request you, please share this video to other people so that our students' morale go up and they feel good to see their videos being viral, so that they think that they can speak English and other can get motivation. The people who belong to rural agriculture background and rural background, do not underestimate them. They can definitely speak better English than other, and they have good level of confidence, but we have no, or these students have no proper guidelines, counseling, and their attention of the parents. If they get the good directions, or somebody guides them, somebody give attentions on them, so they can definitely defeat others, and they can show their brilliancy before the camera or in front of others. They are not underestimated students. They are good students. We personally see that many of the students of our academy come from the rural background, but in this academy, once they join and they give their precious time regularly to us, so they improve their communications and they improve their English language. Thank you for watching us, and please share this video and subscribe our channel for the more